And besides, as per our records, marami yung naka-PISARO, meaning for issuance of SARO or aka FLR.
Yes.
Winidal na Malacanang, I think nasa mga 168 billion yon on top of the items vetoed by the President. Ito yung mga insertions na ginawa sa House of Representatives at saka sa BICAM. So, ang total, nasa mga 190 plus billion pesos pa.
And that is for 2025, Mr. President.
That's for 2025, correct.
Mr. President, kapag hindi po ito magamit in the next few months, ano pong pwedeng gawin sa 190 billion po na ito?
Well, pag hindi po nagamit, papasok na yun sa savings. No, nandiyan sa yung Supreme Court ruling, meron silang tinatawag na definition of savings, meaning hindi nagamit o kaya nakatipid sa paggamit or some other requirements para ma-declare as savings.
And Mr. President, it is the executive who can determine what projects need to be enhanced. Is that correct, Mr. President?
That is correct, Mr. President. Or the President may pull out some appropriations under the unprogrammed fund, under the special purpose fund, to augment the budget of some items under the regular budget, kung kailangan.
So Mr. President, merong 190 billion for 2025 na hindi pa nagagalaw.
Dahil naka for later release or what they call now as PISARO,
And
for issuance of SARO.
And I'm sure, Mr. President, ngayon na merong flood control issue, magandang aralin talaga kung dapat ba talagang magamit ang perang yan dun sa lugar na nakalagay kung saan siya gagamitin, Mr. President.
Well, as suggested by our own colleague here, the former DPWH Secretary, mas maganda meron talaga master plan. No? Dapat integrated, coordinated, at saka manggagaling sa scientifically based or science-based ang pag-determine kung saan pwedeng dalhin yung mga budget for flood control projects.